Beadalon patent pending banding pliers. Banding pliers are used to create the perfect double right angle in either half round or square wire. Simply place the half round wire into the jaw of the pliers, depress, and that makes the perfect double right angle in the wire to make banding much simpler and easier, quicker, and it's perfectly sized for the square portion. This creates a very tight band, which is the key to very quick and efficient wire wrapping. With the banding pliers, it's very easy to cut your half round or your square wire in advance and make all of your bands in advance to speed up the process for making wire wrapped componentry and for stone setting.